Alright, so what we are experiencing or having right now is what we call the well-wish. Basically, it's a message coming from the best man and the maid of honor. In our case, it's matron of honor. So, palapakan po natin our lovely matron of honor.
Alam mo ba, parang kahapon lang magkakasama tayo, nagkakatugan, nagtatawanan, sa mga bagay na walang pagkakapay pa. Pero ngayon, look at you, guys. Nandito tayo. And we are about to watch you marry the love of your life. I'm just beyond happy and excited for you. At the same time, I can help but feel a little bit emotional because you have been the best. And now I get to be your matron of honor. And I couldn't be more honored kahit na nag-know ako nung una dahil parang kung nagma-maternity shoot. Pero kidding aside, sa mga taon ng pagkakaibigan natin, I've seen you go through so many things. Sa mga love breaks, sa mga heartbreaks, at maraming highs and lows. Pero sa bawat daang tinahak mo, nakita ko kung gano'ng katapat. Kung gaano mo kamahal yung mga tao na sa paligid mo, lalo na si Sagon. Ay, si Mark. Sorry, madami mo palang Sagon dito. Pero seeing the two of you together, I know that this is it. This is the kind of love that's worth fighting for. The kind that lasts forever. I have witnessed kung gaano nyo kamahal ang isa't isa at kung paano nyo hindi sinubukan ang isa't isa. And I'm beyond proud. At alam nyo din kung gaano kayo kamahal ng asawa ko. I remember those days, those years, na super challenging ng life sa inyong dalawa. Gabi-gabi na kayong pinag-pray. Hindi niya na ako minimension sa prayers, kayong dalawa na lang. Sobrang proud na proud ako kasi mahal din niya kayo. Kaya naman, kanina, habang lumalakad ganun sa aisle, gusto ko malaman mo how incredibly proud I am. You deserve all the love, the joy, the happiness that this world has to offer. And I can't wait to see both of you build a life together. One that's filled with laughter, adventure, and everything in between. Ano naman kita? Sabi ko na pala. And I will always be here for you. Through every moment of your happily ever after, wala na akong hiling kundi ang magtagumpay kayong dalawa sa pagmamahal niyo. ECE! Ito na rin yung pinakahihintay natin lahat kung saan ipagbubok na kayo ni Cathy. Yes, para sa honeymoon niyo. And cheers to the most beautiful bride I know and to the amazing journey ahead. Congratulations.
Okay, there you have it, our matron of honor. Now is the best man's turn to do the well-wish. Palapakan po natin mga kaibigan, our best man.
Good evening, everyone. Ako nga pala si Eden. On behalf of Mark and Veronica, I would like to thank you for attending this special event. And I have the honor of acting as best man tonight, and I am thrilled that I am with these wonderful people as they begin this new chapter of their lives. And I know na you've been through a lot of struggles in your relationships and the weakness kami pamiliin na. And alam ko na ano, yung future na nakaharapin nyo, makakayanan kasi nakakayanan nyo yung mga nakarap. Sa yun lang. Best wishes. Congrats.
Pwede din po ba namin i-request na mag-message din si Michael Jenner? Groomsman.
Go, bro!
Give it up for MJ! Come on!
So, good evening po sa lahat. Sa hindi nga pala nakakakilala sa akin, ako nga pala si MJ. Considered, ewan ko kung totoo. So, flashback, year 2015, after the graduation, parang nabuo yung friendship namin tatlo. Actually, kami lang talaga din kayo magkaibigan. Then, naging extra po si Mark. Then, who would have thought na sila pala talaga yung dalawang para sa isa. So, during the review period, parang yung friendship namin parang more on, parang consider namin yung kaming tatlo as the best buddies. So, ayun. Natutuwa lang ako kasi hindi na, actually nag-promise kami sa isa't isa before na walang kapukol. Kaso, nagulat na lang ako nung magkasama na pala sila sa Laguna since silang dalawa lagi yung nagkakausap, nagkaka-comfortan since parang kaka-break lang nila from their past relationship. Then nagulat na lang ako na sila na po pala. So parang na-left out ko ako. Pero sobrang happy ko kasi so silang dalawa kasi alam ko na na from friends, parang naging magkakapatid na kami. Then, basta sobrang happy ko lang na dumating yung point na natuloy na yung kasal na to after 7 years. Basta, hindi ko na lang po i-elaborate. Basta sobrang happy ko lang for them. So, wish you all the best. Sana ay kung kahit di man tayo nagkakaroon ng constant communication, at least we still, kapag nagkakita-kita tayo, parang kahapon lang tayo magkakasama. Kahit si Mark actually is, na-meet ko po is last, 2017. Ngayon lang po ulit kami nagkakita. So yun, congratulations
Sige, ate,
to the both
baba.
of you. So,
Pilitin mo. Buhatin.
live your happy married life. Thank you.